This frittata has been prepared with eggs, fresh peppers, spinach and cheese, and then cooked in the air fryer. I've used about 1/4 of each pepper, chopped up into small chunks. You can use different fillings. In the past I've used chopped courgette, onions, sun-dried tomatoes, bacon. I've used 3 eggs, but you could use more for a thicker frittata. Crack each one into a jug and whisk them together. I am adding a small handful of spinach leaves, chopped up. You could use kale or a little bit of rocket if you prefer. I'm mixing the spinach in with the whisked eggs now, just because I find it easier to pour it all together into the tin. I'm spraying a little oil into the tin. You could use butter instead. This just helps to stop the egg sticking too much. Next, I'm putting the oiled tin into the air fryer to preheat for a couple of minutes. I'm cooking it at 180 degrees Celsius. Next, add the chopped peppers to the hot tin and return the basket to the air fryer. Cook it at the same temperature for around 3 minutes, just until the peppers start to soften slightly. Then pour the egg and the spinach mixture into the tin and sprinkle some grated cheese across the top. Try to make sure the peppers, spinach and cheese are as evenly distributed as possible within the egg. Then cook for a further 6 minutes, checking halfway through just to make sure it isn't cooking too quickly. And if you've used extra eggs, you'll need to cook for a little longer. So before we see the end result, if you'd like to print out this recipe or see step-by-step pictures, you can head over to my blog, Liana's Kitchen, where there are also lots of other air fryer recipes. When it's ready, remove it from the air fryer and gently ease it out of the tin with a spatula. And that's it, a lovely and quick frittata in an air fryer where you can experiment with lots of different fillings. I hope you've enjoyed this air fryer recipe. Please do let me know in the comments what you want me to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.